Do you like the hat? I bought it. It's supposed to be an orange. See, it's got a leaf on the top. For the last month, you've probably been watching videos on me making fairy wings and talking about pencils, etc. Whereas I actually have been elsewhere. I've been in the places that grow lots of big oranges. I've been to Korea and Japan, and today I'm going to show you what I bought because, yeah, this lot. So yes, first off, apologies for the interruptive idiots downstairs, but you're not allowed to kill them, so unfortunately we have to deal with the background noise. My entire time in Korea, I noticed nobody shouts. There was no yelling. There's certainly no stupid 18-year-olds making sounds like monkeys. I've just got off the plane. I got home last night about 10, 11 o'clock, and jet lag has hit me. So today I've pretty much just sat around doing very little. But I thought I've got to sort these things out, and I thought I wanted to share them with you. So this is all the models that I mostly bought in Japan, including things that I got gachapons. This to start off with, did get a couple of random things in gachapons. Gachapons are those like gumball machines that spurt out random small objects. This one Laura bought me. I haven't even opened it. And this one is a kitsune mask, fox mask. Pretty. So that's the first one. It came out of the machine in a pot like that, and it's random. It's a game. It's like, you know, put like what you find. I did also get a couple of Le Seraphim figures, little 2D figures, which are on bags, which look like this. I'm happy with. I did also get this. I'm going to drill a hole through this so that I can put this keyring on it, and it can hang on the bag. I did intend to buy more of the plushies that you see on my bag. If you watch the out and about videos, which, given that we've been away for a month, there will be a lot of out and about videos about my trip, which will be, link is there, and over the next few weeks there will be videos all about all of our days out, our adventures, and what we found and what we did. And you will probably see plushies that are on my bag, which are mostly the Mitzi plushies for the K-pop band ITZY. I did intend to get the New Jeans ones. I couldn't find them anywhere, nowhere at all. I got one which matched this hat, mascot of Jeju Island, which is the island to the south of Korea. So yes, so what did I buy? Mostly we bought stuff in Osaka and Tokyo, and the first thing I bought in Osaka was this. Yeah, this is part of, will be a video to itself. I have a kit. Pieces. It's not too many pieces, it's got to be said. Instruction manuals, entirely in Japanese. One of the best things I did in Osaka was go to the Osaka castle at night when it's actually shut and it's all dark and it's all lit up. It's beautiful. It was honestly the best part of Osaka. I don't understand why everyone raves about Osaka. We were staying in a really nasty part of the town, as you'll see. That didn't help. But yes, so we have Osaka Castle to be built. And well, this is just the castle, and the grounds I'm going to probably make it the whole thing. So look out for this in the upcoming weeks. Now that's going there. And then I basically, in Osaka there is a section, Den, and it's like Akihabara in Osaka. There's one road mostly filled up with anime shops and model shops, and they're really cool and it's really great. I do think that it was better for buying models. They were cheaper. And this has been wrapped up because I've unpacked everything and taken everything out of the boxes because I couldn't fit all the plastic and all that. I want to go in a suitcase. So everything's been taken apart. Then I've bundled it all up and wrapped it all up and covered it in This is all micropore tape because I didn't have any sellotape with me on holiday.
Several bad puns later.
Now this is out, I can explain. So we walked up and down Den and all the anime shops and that, and thought, this is cool and there's some good things. And I regret not buying stuff there, but I held out and waited till I got to Akihabara because I thought, you shouldn't buy stuff in Osaka when you are going to Tokyo. And I thought it'd be better and cheaper. Wrong. All I actually bought in Den was these. There was a series of figures all around. They were really cheap. They were 300 yen. It was like £1.50 each. And I just wanted to buy something for the sake of buying it. And so I've got a pair of fighting, I think they're Power Man Rangers or Power Rangers, something like that. They are this. And they were 300 yen each. When I saw them in Tokyo, the same little figures, they were 800, a lot more. On some of them, 1500. But then I also saw this. I had a definite idea. I wanted a few things. I wanted an Akami figure, and I wanted another 02 I wanted 02 as Strelitsa, the white mech. I could not find it at all. I gone in 20 or 30, 50 shops to try and find it. But I also wanted a proper Mika Hitsune. I wanted a Sakura, pink-haired one. But then I saw this. She's Red Riding Hood. Isn't she just the most adorable, cute thing? She's got a little basket, things to go to Granny. It goes on her arm like that. There you go, little red Mika. And I saw this in Den and I was like, oh, that's cool. And then we decided to go back and she'd gone. The shops were clearly very popular and some of them were really good. I could have spent a fortune there and filled up my suitcase and just left all the clothes behind. I didn't. But then when we got to Akihabara, I happened to see this, and it's a fairly common model. But it started off at one end of the road, and it was like 2,500 yen. And as it went down, it started getting more and more and more. And in the end, I ended up seeing it was like 4,800 yen. And then we found one shop near where I've set my part of my book, and it was part of the reason for going there was to do research for my book, was this shop, and it was so cheap. It was very little, just like 2 or 3 aisles of figures, and they were packed in. And I saw this, and she was 1,800 yen. It was like £9, £10 maximum. Talk among yourselves. Mika. So she's going there. She'll find a private place somewhere soon. And of course, these two guys with their warped spear trident thing have their own place. Then we went to into the arcade with all the machines and the grabbers and the thing that grab. And there was a couple of figures there, and one I spent too much money trying to get it, and I just failed. And you watch some of these people, and they're like, dump, bump, but dump, drop, and it catches and knocks it out. I tried it about 6 times. 60 times and failed. In the end, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go and buy the model. And then I spent ages trying to find it and I couldn't find it. And then, pretty much on the last but one day, I found it. What I liked about this was her pose. I didn't know where it was, who she was, why, anything. But I knew I liked the pose. I found it since, and she is from...
A few moments later.
Went off to find box. There's the box. She is Asana, the character from Sword Art Online Progressive, Scherzo of Deep Night, and her name is Asana. I liked the character because she reminded me of Saber from Fate Night. Similar character, similar design, similar idea, but she was quite cool. Probably ended up costing me a little bit more than it would have done because the amount of money I kept dropping in the machine to try and win her. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Isn't she? She's a great addition to the collection. And finally, this is, I have no idea. She was 700 yen in a box of broken and things out of boxes and whatever. and was literally at the till, went, she's cute. I have no idea what she is or what she's from. If you know who she is, please leave me a comment down below and say, oh, she's from the. So there we go. She will just remain be the girl with a weird growth on her chest. So there we go. There are my new additions to the never-ending growing collection. And there. And that, of course. There's also a new thing. I like Kurame. I got to Korea and found a Japanese anime character. Kurame, the little cat. And yeah, so there we go. Hope you like this random little run through of things. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me who she is and what's your favourite. And if you're not already and you want to see me build the castle and the grounds and so forth, then you should come back next time and see that. And I've still got to paint models and build things and so forth and get back into it. I haven't had a month off. And yeah, hope you like this. So yeah, hit subscribe, come back next time and see what we get up to. So until then, bye bye. I started doing this video and stupid have started with the never-ending yelling and being stupid, making tons of noise. I really wish I should have done this a lot earlier when there was less screaming going on. I have not missed this noise and the banging and the screaming. That didn't help. Yeah, I've definitely not missed this noise. God, there is so much noise. It's just all it's done is just made me more aware. I wanted. If you can tell me how to silence them and not get caught.